Windshield repair. Ever had the occasion where something kicked up on your windshield and starred or cracked your windshield?
Yes.
Okay. Did you get it fixed?
No, I just left it.
You just left it? Did it expand?
Yes.
Okay. Did you have to replace the windshield?
Yes.
Did you have to pay a deductible?
Yes.
This wasn't any fun, was it?
No, it's
Well,
not
that's
at
not
all.
going to happen during the first 6 months, because if you get a star or crack the size of a quarter, we will fix it for you, no cost to you, as long as it's not in the driver's line of sight. Cool?
Excellent.
Okay. You're also going to get roadside assistance. I'm going to assume you know what that is.
Yes.
All right, for the next 6 months, you run out of gas, you need a tow jump, you get locked out of your car, need a flat tire changed, we will provide those services for you 24/7. All right?
Okay.